Welcome. So we're going to upload a YouTube video. So first we have to go to on your Internet Explorer, Edge, or Google Chrome. We have to go to the address bar and type in youtube.com. And then you want to scroll down to Studio. Once you're logged in, click Create, then Upload Videos. And I already have one made for this. So, how to move Windows 11 taskbar buttons to the left. So once it's uploaded, you can put in your title. By default, it would be file name is. Capitalize. Under settings, you can set up defaults. So my description already has my website, and as things upload, there'll be a thumbnail. Now, what I do is I actually go to Copilot Designer under searching for it. You can type in animation. Windows 11 taskbar settings. Right, so then for playlists, I have you can make a new playlist, but I already have one called How-To Videos. And then this is not made for kids, but it's not restricted to 18 or older. No altered content. And then under default settings, you can add natural tags. And then these are all the ones I already have. And then what I do is instead of thinking which ones to put in, I just take the ones that don't relate. Fastest taskbar buttons, Windows button left. Category to how-to style, and then leave the rest of everything that is automatically checked or unchecked to leave the way it is. Let's upload that thumbnail. Go back to the tab that was creating them. Kind of like this one. Okay, video elements, nothing to add, no copyright issues, make public, and publish.